Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook using your iPhone, Android, or Samsung phone. If this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, it really supports the channel. Now let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, open the menu. Tap the menu button at the upper of the screen. On iPhone, tap the menu button at the bottom of the screen. Once the menu opens, tap the settings icon. Now find Account Center and tap See More in Account Center. From here, select Profiles. Next, tap your Facebook account. Now select Name. Here you can edit your first name, middle name, or last name. Keep in mind that Facebook only allows you to change your name once every 60 days. After making your changes, tap Review Change. You'll see a preview of how your name will appear. Choose your preferred display option, then tap Save Changes. Your new name will now be updated on Facebook. And that's how you change your Facebook name. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.